Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best toddler broom is probably one of the most essential yet surprisingly overlooked tools for fostering independence and a sense of helpfulness in your little ones, transforming everyday chores into engaging learning experiences and providing a fun way for them to participate in household tasks, ultimately contributing to their motor skill development and cognitive growth. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Toddler Cleaning Set. Spark imaginative fun with this colorful cleaning toy set. Children can sweep, mop, dust, and tidy up, learning independence and responsibility along the way. This kid-sized set includes a broom, mop, duster, brush, and a dustpan that clips onto the handles. It also comes with a sturdy wooden stand to keep everything organized. These durable wooden toys are designed to boost confidence and support fine motor skills. They encourage imaginative role-play through hands-on pretend tasks. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set inspires screen-free, open-ended play and makes a timeless toy for boys and girls. For over 35 years, we've inspired kid-powered play with our learning toys, puzzles, games, and more. We believe in the power of imaginative fun. What we like? This set is perfect for sparking imaginative play and teaching independence. If you're looking for a durable, classic toy that encourages hands-on learning and fine motor skills, this is a fantastic choice for fostering a sense of responsibility. What people say. This broom is perfect for my toddler. It's lightweight and easy for her to hold and use. The design is very cute and my child loves sweeping with it, making chores fun. It's a great way to introduce toddlers to cleaning and develop their coordination skills. Number 4. Play 22 Kids Cleaning Set 4-Piece. Get ready for fun and learning with this amazing 4-piece cleaning set designed just for kids. It's the perfect way to introduce them to housekeeping. This set includes a broom, a mop with an extendable handle, a brush, and a dustpan. It has all the tools they need for hours of pretend play. It's not just a toy. This set can actually be used to help tidy up their room, making cleanup time an engaging activity. Watch as they develop creative confidence and learn how different supplies work on various household items. It's a fantastic way to learn through play. Looking for a great gift? This cleaning set is ideal for birthdays, Christmas, and holidays, bringing joy and educational fun to any boy or girl. Encourage your child's imagination and a sense of responsibility as they take on the role of a little helper. It's a gift that keeps on giving. What we like? This set offers realistic functionality, allowing your child to actively participate in cleaning. If you want a toy that can genuinely help tidy up your child's room while building their confidence and understanding of different cleaning tasks, this is the one to consider. What people say. It's very lightweight. Very realistic and durable. The set is the perfect size for toddlers and preschoolers, lightweight, easy to hold, and surprisingly sturdy. It includes a broom, dustpan, and sometimes even a mini mop or brush depending on the set you choose. What I love most is that it's not just a toy, it actually works. My child is learning real cleaning skills while having fun. The bright colors are appealing, and the set stores easily with clips or stands. It encourages responsibility and independence in a playful way. So cute. They are lightweight and the perfect size for little hands. Number 3. Mini Broom and Dustpan Set for Kids, Light Blue. Introducing our Mini Broom and Dustpan Set, designed for your little helper. It's the perfect introduction to housekeeping for children. Made from durable PP and TPR materials, this set is lightweight and easy for small hands to manage. It's specifically sized for children's play. This set is ideal as an elementary training tool for pretend cleaning. It helps children learn and engage in helpful activities. Encourage your child to join in on housework with this fun and engaging set. It's perfect for parent-child bonding activities. Recommended for children aged 3 and up, this set fosters a sense of responsibility and helps them imitate adult tasks. Children naturally love to help their parents, and this tool makes it even more enjoyable for them. Watch them take pride in their chores. What we like? This is an excellent tool for introducing very young children to housework in a fun way. If you are looking for a compact set that's perfect for parent-child activities and suitable for even the youngest helpers, this small broom and dustpan set is ideal. What people say. This works perfectly. as it's lightweight and has a smaller broom head so you can reach little nooks and crannies. Bristles sweep up most debris without leaving much behind. The description emphasized this is for a child, but I ordered it anyway. I love it. I wouldn't use it to sweep a whole room or even a large area. But it works very well to sweep up a few crumbs. The dustpan is large and deep, and it is not hard to get the crumbs into the dustpan rather than under them. Bought it for my little guy, he loves it. Loves helping mommy sweep the kitchen floors. Easy for him to handle. Number 2. Battat Play Circle Mighty Tidy Sweep Set. Get ready for some serious fun with the Mighty Tidy Sweep Set. It's designed perfectly for little hands and big imaginations. This set includes a broom, a dustpan, and the hand broom. The hand broom conveniently snaps right into the dustpan for easy storage. The soft bristles are gentle on your floors. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and into those tricky corners. Playing with this set helps develop fine motor skills and sparks creativity. You might even find your floors a little cleaner after playtime. This toy cleaning set is recommended for children aged 3 years and older. It's a great way to encourage imaginative play. What we like. This set is designed with durability and safety in mind, featuring soft bristles perfect for little hands. If you prioritize a lightweight, easy-to-maneuver cleaning toy that encourages creativity and fine motor skills, this might be the best fit for your child. What people say. Our brooms and dustpan have stood up incredibly well to toddler handling and will remain a learning playtime product for months to come. These little brooms and dustbins are an absolute huge hit in the daycare room I run. They are fun and playful kids' colors which I really love, and my 1.5-year-olds love helping to sweep up the floor like I do, making them both an excellent toy and educational tool for my room. This is absolutely perfect for my 21-month-old daughter. Perfect height, very sturdy, and cute. I can tell this will last a long time. Number 1. Kids Mini Broom and Dustpan Set, Blue. Introducing your child's new favorite cleaning companion. This set is designed to make tidying up fun and engaging for little ones. Please note the dimensions. The broom is approximately 20.5 by 5.5 inches. It's perfectly sized for small hands, making it easy for them to manage. Designed for children aged 1.5 to 4 years, this set encourages them to participate in housework. It's a wonderful way to foster responsibility and helpfulness from a young age. The broom head is detachable, allowing for versatile cleaning. It's great for sweeping desks, corners, or even seams, making it a practical tool for small cleaning tasks. We are confident you'll love this product. With our 100% satisfaction guarantee, you can try it risk-free. If you're not completely happy, simply return it. What we like. This is a wonderfully compact and versatile option, especially for very young children. If you have a toddler aged 1.5 to 4 and want them to join in on housework with a tool that's easy to handle and can even sweep small areas like desks, this detachable broom is a great starting point. What people say. This mini broom and dustpan is awesome. We bought it for our son when he was under 2 years old, and it was the perfect size for him. The set is well made, sturdy, and cleans really well. The color is nice, the design is thoughtful, and yes, it's just genuinely cute. My toddler loves his broom and the handle fits great in his little hand. It is on the smaller size, but I like that it fits in his toy box. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.